Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you all can change any dress color just in 30 seconds as like this. It's super duper easy. Just follow all my instructions as shown. First of all, open Adobe Photoshop application on your computer. Go to Object Selection tool. Tap on Select Subject. Wait few moment for processing. See, AI of Photoshop select the body from this image, but some of them still not selected. To increase the selection of area, select second option from here. Then select wanted area roughly. To remove unwanted area of selection, select third option from here. Then select unwanted area roughly. After perfect selection, go here. Move the eyedropper icon on dress's specific color, which one you want to change. Always try to pick brightest area of the color. Now select any color by dragging here, left and right. I think this one suit most. Let's try another image in the same way. Press Ctrl+0 for fit the image on your workspace. Now select the subject as like before. In this time, the selection is perfect, so go to Hue and Saturation to change the color. Move the eyedropper icon on dress's specific color, which one you want to change. Always try to pick brightest area of the color. Now select any color by dragging here, left and right. Always try to pick the color, which ones show more realistic. I think this one suit most. See the magic. And for today, that's all. Subscribe us for more. Remember, tech passion fuels us. Join our geeky community for an immersive tech experience.
For you, I try.